All right, let's take a look. Original 67, Cobra jet. Rusted, but it's all here. Documentation is key. VIN confirms it. All right, team, secure the perimeter. Got it, boss. Start with the crates on the left. Watch the wheels, they're seized. Go easy on the straps. Ramps are in place. Attach the main lines. Let's pull her out. Keep it slow, easy. Rusted tight, almost free. She's out. Midnight Motors is ready. Let's begin the journey. Welcome, team. It's here. Let's get to work. All right, bring it up slowly. Locks engaged. Perfect. We're ready to start.
Keep it steady. Down and to the left. Easy now. Settle it on the stand.
Cables clear. Wires secure.
All right, time to trace this old Shelby floor pan. Precise measurements are key.
Looking good, ready for the English wheel.
Make sure the
Precision at every turn. Perfect alignment. Torque set. Ready for the heads.
This Shelby shell is getting the full Midnight Motors treatment. Every seam, every inch inspected.
That filler work looks perfect, almost invisible.
The curing is perfect. We can move to finishing now. This is the delicate phase. Focus. Maximum gloss achieved. Simply stunning.
Ensure the fuel lines are perfectly straight and clipped every 3 inches. Got it. Torquing the differential bolts to spec now. Keep it steady, down slow, just a fraction more. Hold, set it. Pins are aligned, let's start the bolts. Tighten to torque in a star pattern on the... All right, steady down, watch those alignment pins. Pins engaged, bring the torque wrenches over here. Let's start the sequence. The carpet's perfect, looking good. Wiring engaged, dash is secured. Gauges are alive. All right, filled, dipstick's good, coolant, belts, everything's secure. Ready? Ready. Whoa, listen to that rumble. Just need a little rev. All right, time for the hero shots. Looks perfect, great work team. Couldn't have done it without everyone. Incredible photos.
Best complete restoration, 1967 Shelby GT500, Nyma's Midnight Motors Restoration Lab.
Gentlemen, this is it! Midnight Motors wins! Let's hear that engine roar!
Did it! This is unbelievable.